Hello there. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm Bazami and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have came up with an idea of how you can spice up your old LED lights at your home. So before going further into the video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the videos that are on your way. Like, share and comment, and do let me know how you like it. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video.